Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Kasama niyo pa din, my name is DJ Lala and you are still with me sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Language of Love ay yung tinatawag nating tough love. Nako, madaming ganyan love. Hindi kasi sila yung tipo ng mga taong masyadong showy o 'di ba kapag nagagalit sila kasi may nagawa kang mali o ikinapahamak mo, minsan yung way nila of showing concern is not the way you expect or want to. Kasi medyo strong yung atake. Love, not everybody understands tough love. Most of the people sees it as rudeness or sarcasm, but it's not all that eh. Why do you think nagsasayang sila ng oras para lang sitahin ka, pangaralan ka, pagalitan ka, or i-guide ka? Kasi they care about you. They want you to be better. They want you to learn. They want you to grow. So instead of going against tough love just because you wanted to look and feel differently like the one you see flashed sa mga social media accounts ninyo, appreciate it, my love. Because believe it or not, tough love is real love. Okay? And eto na po ang second stop para sa ating hashtag Biyaheng Languages of Love tonight. This one is a very familiar type ng love. Yun yung flashy kind of love. Ito yung mga nakikita nating mapopost, very vocal about their feelings and relationships. Sa ganitong approach, you have to be cautious, my love. As much as everybody enjoys seeing your posts, it is also quite a subject for public judgment. Very prone siya sa mga pananaw ng iba. Andyan yung mga taong pwedeng sumausaw lang ng sumausaw kapag may away kayo. Andyan din naman yung mga taong madaming opinion about the way you should handle things in your relationship. So, prone yung relationship nyo sa ganon kapag medyo posty ka masyado or masyado kang vocal, expressive, lalo na sa social media platforms. Whether you like it or not, meron at merong masasabi yang mga yan kasi nga available to the public ang inyong supposedly private matters. But do not get me wrong, it's cute and adorable and all, but put a limit on it. Hindi kailangan alam ng lahat ang lahat. What matters most is how you treat each other behind the public's eye. Okay? Sa mga love natin, again, if you want to share your thoughts and comments about our hashtag Biyahe for tonight, hashtag Biyaheng Languages of Love, just send it over to DJ Lala. Now, before tayo mag-continue on with our Diva playlist, ito muna ang paalala ko sa mga mahal ko that like me or just like me wants to go back to the way it was. Please, tiis-tiis muna. Please, sumunod muna tayo. And please, wag munang magpasaway, okay? Last stop natin para sa ating hashtag Biyaheng Languages of Love ay yung progressive kind of love. Ito yung klase ng love na kayang magbago for the better. Ito yung klase ng love na aaralin ng lahat just to make their partners happy. Ilan ba sa inyo mga mahal ko ang nag-aral magluto para lang maipaghanda ang kanilang special someone ng paborito nilang putahe? Ilan ba sa inyo love ang nag-quit sa mga bisyo nila para lang sa taong mahal nila like yosi, pag-iinom, pagsusugal, pagsasabong, pero minsan yung pagsasabong bumabalik. At ilan ba sa inyo love ang nagsumikap para lang may mapatunayan sa kanilang minamahal o sa pamilya ng kanilang minamahal? 'Di ba? I believe and therefore I know, madami kayo my love. Yan ang progressive kind of love. The act of making positive changes because of love. Ay, katamis. Sana oil. Ay nako, sa mga love natin, we can continue on with this conversation over my page, DJ Lala Bandera. Sa comment section po ng post natin, tara, usap tayong dalawa. Meanwhile, you are still with me. My name is DJ Lala and you are still tuned in sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso, hatid sa inyo ng 90.7 Lover Radio. GVGV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.